So another Asda recipe I'm going to make is sticky Chinese chicken bake. So the recipe asks for chicken drumsticks, but I've just got chicken breasts, to be honest. So in my jug I've got 3 tablespoons of passata, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of honey, and then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, some garlic, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. I love the smell of sesame oil. So I'm going to whisk this up. I'm going to cover my chicken in the sauce, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. Halfway through I'll turn it, and then just before it's cooked I'm going to add some pak choy. So there's my chicken with my glaze. I'll put it in the oven now for about 40 minutes. Ooh, with some pak choy and some boiled rice. So my chicken's had half an hour in the oven. I'm just taking it out, and now I'm going to add my pak choy, which I'll scatter around. Very hot. Get some of the sauce on the pak choy. I'm going to scatter a bit of chilli over as well. Bit of heat. And I'm going to sprinkle some cracked black pepper. I'm going to put this back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Oh yes, looks nice. So my chicken's had about 45 minutes in the oven. I'll take it out now and serve it up. Oh, look at that. There's my chicken. My pak choy. Looking forward to this.